And welcome to another video on how to take the reading test section of the TABE test. So let's take a look at the items that we'll be covering again. Again, these are going to be highly practical and have life skills stimuli. There will be business and personal communication such as emails, instructive text such as pamphlets and brochures, and informational material presented in new visual formats such as web pages and internet advertisements. And on levels D and A, we might actually see some poetry and drama. So we're going to focus on the last skill here. That's going to be to evaluate and to extend meaning. This item measures the ability to interpret graphically presented information and then use that information to make judgments. So what that means in this case is that we're going to have to use this information to make a judgment. So let's take a look at question number 3. Again, we're doing the weather page forecast. So according to the map, which of these statements is true? So let's take a look at the map again here real quick. And so taking a look at this map, we have to look for a true statement. So we are going to, the strategy we really want to do is we want to take a look at the answers first. And then we're going to take a look at the map. See how we had to go up here and take a look at the map and then we're going to come down here? That ate up a little bit of our time. Maybe 10, maybe 15 seconds, but every second counts on the TABE test. So now let's take a look at these questions and then we can come back up here. And that works a little bit better than spending the time reading this, trying to figure out what it's saying, hoping that we remember, then coming down here, because we're going to have to come back up and check this one out anyways. So according to the map, which of these statements is true? The lowest temperature is Fort Myers. Okay, that's one idea. Temperatures in Miami and Key West are about the same. Temperatures are highest in West Palm Beach. Temperature in Orlando is higher than the temperature in St. Petersburg. Alright, so let's look at what we've got. Lowest temperature, Fort Myers. Nope, I already got one that's not, so it's not that one. Miami and Key West. Can I see Miami? I can see Miami. Key West, they look really close. And so they say about, so that's a real big key word that says that, okay, that might be a good choice. Highest in West Palm Beach. West Palm Beach is 62. Miami is 65. Can't be that one. And the high temperature in Orlando is higher than the high temperature in St. Petersburg. Already, because Orlando's farther north, I don't even really have to check, because the farther north you go, normally the colder it is. But it's a good idea to just check. But yeah, as I see, high temperature is still higher the farther south we go here. Now again, Fort Myers is a little colder, so it is a good idea to check. But you've got an intuition that the farther north you go, the colder it's going to get. So as we said, this is the answer that works the best. So that's going to be that one. So let's take a look at another section right here. And we're going to take a look at the evaluate and extend meaning in this section. Again, we're going to talk about finding this information and then applying it to new situations. So question number 2. Julia wants to let the post office know how nicely she was treated. Which of these boxes should she check? So on this question right here, I shouldn't have to go up here because these are the answer choices right there. So these ones we're looking for nice. Something that's nice. So a problem, not nice. Damage, not nice. Insured, maybe. Compliment. Compliment sounds good. Now that I know what I'm looking for, now we can go up here and see if there's anything that we want to put. Yes, this is an information request, suggestion, problem, compliment. So see how it's right here? This is a compliment. So if she wants to let them know that, oh, I liked it very much, that's a compliment. So that's going to be the answer choice right there. And see how we ran through these ones here rather than having to go up, look, come down, up, look, come down, up, look, come down. Try to figure it out from here so we don't have to keep glancing back and forth and potentially losing our places. We want to go as fast and as furious as we can. All right? Okay, so that's going to be the evaluate and extend meaning section.